I'm Laurel Guy, and I'd like to welcome you to 194 Jerry Smith Road. This is an architecturally stunning and spacious federal home in Lansing, New York. It has high ceilings and so many gorgeous original details. Enjoy your privacy in this country setting. And the property has sugar maples, apple, pear, and cherry trees, and more. You're located close to Myers Point and Cuba Lake and just 20 minutes to Cornell in downtown Ithaca. The signature piece in the living room is this fireplace mantel hand-carved by Brigham Young. Wow. And while you're there, check out the high ceilings, Marvin replacement windows, and you will love the library. This home has such a spacious, flexible floor plan. There's a living room, library, an amazing dining room, family room, plus this gorgeous sunroom, which opens to the flagstone patio. There have been over $80,000 in recent improvements, including this all-new main-level primary suite. Upstairs, there are 4 more bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an office. Roots run deep here. The original part of the house was built in 1817 on a land grant of a Revolutionary War veteran. 194 Jerry Smith Road, your family's future begins here.